Kani gadega Batisi TV, bat fidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Ka Samla Leighton Soro kala tray Henrius nem hapo Nazareth Hospital kum ka nurse, bat hashwa jong kataru kala yo jing hikai yakani ka kam hapo Rapsbon School of Nursing. Nakaliang jong ka Batisi TV ngila yo lat mani keren kendiat bat kanong penyait kam hagadi hospital kapala penpau ya ka jing kendit bat haga jokapor ka jing snosi ktang Halor kani ka Jingshah.
Leighton, she studied in Rapsbon School of Nursing. When she finished her nursing, she joined Nazareth Hospital in 2012. From 2012 till 26th, she was working here 26th May. It was a shocking incident actually what has happened. 26th May, she finished her duty by 1:30 p.m. and she finished her, we had a class, after that she went for tea. She left from here maybe 2:30 or something. Then that was on Saturday. The next day was Sunday. She was off, so she did not come for duty. Then Monday 1:30 p.m. she was supposed to join for duty. She didn't come, so they reported to me that by 3 o'clock she has not to come on duty. So I said to find out from her friends where she is. So they called, but phone was not reachable. Then the next day, Monday, she didn't come again. Then we started to ask, Tuesday. Nobody knew then where she was. Then I came to know on Tuesday that she was found missing. Then I got the news Tuesday by 6:30 p.m. that her body was found in civil hospital. They brought the body to civil hospital. It was such a shocking incident. I really don't know what has happened, but it was real tragedy. Actually, she was a nice girl, very hardworking, very pleasant. Patients all liked her. Very gentle in nature. All of us are the staff, her colleagues, and all the nurses are very upset about the incident which has happened. I hope the culprit should be brought to light, whatever may be. It's very tragic. I feel really sad about the incident, and we have lost a good staff, I must say. And I sympathize with the family. She has her mother is also sick, and I really feel sad about the incident which has happened. She was happy when she went from here. Actually, I was asking to the staff who was with her on duty. They said nothing they have told. She has told to them about where she is going or nothing of that sort. So they also don't know where she is gone. And then, of course, the next day she was off, so the hospital also will not know. I feel that women's life is in this way is really in danger. That should not happen again. This kind of incidents. Now they are all scary to go out. The life is not safe now. The authorities should take some kind of action to protect the women from this kind of happenings.
Halor ka jing Pynïap yakani ka Samla na ka jait Rio naga kabana ka jela Manipur nalor ka jing Pynrem da ki para jait Rio jong kani ka Samla ladon ru ka kanhon na kani ka jela Meghalaya kabla Pynrem juri yakani ka Jingshah. Kawai na kinong yalam jong ka Khasi Students Union Women's Wing kala Pynrem juri yakani ka Jingshah bat dawaru na ki bor jong ka ain ban twet juri yaki breg ba don kti hakani ka kam ban bathat jubor yak jing im jong ki ba lui.
From the KSU Girls Wing, we strongly condemn these kinds of criminal acts against women, and we do urge the police department to take thorough investigation so that they should take these kind of crimes seriously and thoroughly investigate and find out the culprit who is behind all these kind of acts so that we can bring justice to her departed soul. We have been issuing statements, we have been condemning about these kind of acts time and again, but these acts keep on happening. So I think enough is enough. A statement, it won't be enough. Government should take steps. They should take proper action plan to prevent these kind of acts. Prevention is better than cure. So should come up with an action plan to prevent it. And even after it had happened, the judiciary, there should be speedy recovery. Like victims should get speedy recovery. Like we can see there are many POCSO cases that has been registered in the court. But all these cases, they're always pending for years and years. So I think fast track court should be set up for crime against women so that we can prevent these kind of crimes from happening time and again.
Hanin kasing ka laipau tarik ujumang ki jait benriu naga ki badai ki thangkul kumju ru ki weidi ki jait benriu naga jela Manipur bat Nagaland kila tuot syaga Negrims Hospital hamauding diang bani shimenta ha ga jingyelang ngolem Halor Jingshah Pynïap jongane ka Samla daga ba penlong ru ya ga jingdwai ba kerpang.